Mastering English phrases, make one right. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the intriguing phrase, make one right. This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and is a great example of English idiomatic expressions. So, let's unravel its mystery together. Make one right is an idiomatic expression in English. It's often used in casual conversations and can be a bit tricky for non-native speakers to understand at first. The phrase generally means to correct a mistake or to take an action that compensates for a wrong or error someone has made. It's about setting things right after they've gone wrong. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. Apologizing. After forgetting his friend's birthday, John bought her a gift to make one right. 2. Correcting a misunderstanding. I realized I gave you the wrong information yesterday. Let me make one right by providing the correct details. 3. In a work scenario, our team missed the deadline, but we're working extra hours this weekend to make one right. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting into various situations where someone seeks to remedy a past mistake. You might also hear variations of this phrase, like, make it right, or make things right. While the wording is slightly different, the meaning remains the same. It's all about taking responsibility and fixing what was wrong. Now that you know what make one right means, try using it in your own conversations. It's a great way to sound more fluent and natural in English. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, so don't be afraid to use new phrases and expressions as you learn them. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, make one right. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting aspect of English idiomatic language. Remember, every language has its quirks, and English is no exception. Keep practicing, and soon, phrases like this will become second nature to you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.